See that?
Oh no.
You got something there too.
Oh, a speck of dust on it. It looks so pretty.
Don't get a paint booth to paint that in, Terry?
Huh?
You don't get a paint booth for that thing?
Yeah, just take a piece off your shirt and stick it on there.
Paint booth?
Paint booth? No.
I originally painted that out of my deck.
No,
I got a paint booth. It's called the box my water heater came in.
Yeah. Yeah, they were tearing our deck down at the when we were in co-op, so I just painted it out there. I didn't care about the paint on the deck. The deck was going away.
Talking back.
Beauty.
Come by, see how slow she'll go now. Shows up good too. Yeah.
Sure does.
How slow and low?
Yeah.
That's pretty slow. Can you go slower?
I don't know. Not without flaps or without more wind.
Ah, I suppose.
I'm going to come by fast now. Oh. I got the elevator trimmed up too much for the amount of wind.
Oh, she wants to rise all the time on you?
Yeah.
Lost, yeah.
I got him the whole time.
Yeah.
Experimenting with my focus,
Oh, I've been playing with it the whole time.
with the manual focus.
Oh, I don't know, I'm meant to zoom. Where'd you go? You think that orange? You think I'd be able to see that orange thing in the sky? There you are. What was that? You just cut out?
Now you're shifting gear.
Huh?
I heard it cut out.
I didn't hear it.
I did.
Jam.
Yeah, that's enough video. I just want to enjoy watching it.
I'm going to come in soon.
Just let me know before you land.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cracking really. Nice and level.
Little yaw there, but
No, but I mean front to back, like center of gravity,
yeah.
it looks like it's right on. So it's really good.
Well, I got to do a roll, right?
Yeah.
Into the wind, though. Here we go. After we get past that. Ooh. Yaw halfway through there.
I could hear your wing struts whistling when you went by.
Really? All right, I'm coming in because now my knees are knocking.
Yeah, you really want to rush.
Ha!
Fly my vegan.
Yeah. On the runway.
You come around.
Yeah, you're kind of too far. I could tell just in the camera that you were too far over.
More matching shirts than ours.
Yeah. I planned it this time, Tom. Not like that beaver time.
Oh, Jesus. I'm sure you got them all lined up. Just thank God you ain't got a plane for Montreal Canadiens.
Oh, give me ideas.
Oh. Oh.
Eh.
Looks good until you hit a gopher hole.
It doesn't look like it likes the
Not
taxi.
the taxi, you can see,
No.
What made the taxi?
No.
Fly.
That's right.
But it survived, did it? Hold her up.
Yeah.